Nano pa po kabalin, welcome to INQUIRE and Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Bacolor Pampanga and we were invited by Dad's Resort. It's a luxurious resort dito po sa may Pampanga, and if you wanna know more about this, I really wanna show you guys. So samahan nyo ako, let's go! Nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang function room. This is the first level nung pinaka main property natin. So notice guys, dito sa location na to, you can use this as a place for your event. It's a multi-function room for your event. Para sa akin, it can accommodate up until 50 to 60. Siguro 45. Sobrang luwang pa nun. Dito, pwede nyo na gamitin yung mga tables and chairs nila. We also have a bar counter for liquor. You were saying? Go here. So, access to the kitchen. Dito siya. So, and guys, kasama namin yung mga helpers, mga helping hands ng church namin. Ang lugar na to guys, kung saan tayo galing, you can convert it into a small function hall din or dining tulad nun. Kadugtong nung lugar na yun, ng room na yun, is small room for siguro a family of 4 or 3 or yung mga kasama nating mga PWDs or elders, they can actually stay here. This room has its own toilet and bath, nandun siya. Nandito naman tayo sa isa sa mga main amenities ng Dad's Resort, yung swimming pool. Para sa akin, yung size ng swimming pool natin is medium to large. Meron tayong section for jacuzzi or bubble bath at saka yung main swimming area. Over there, meron tayong mini falls or artificial falls. It adds, the ambience of flowing water. Napakasarap sa tenga, guys. Dito naman kung saan ako nakatayo, meron ditong parang sunken garden. Eto siya. You can also have small event dito, or mas maganda guys pagkain. Yan, mas maganda yung mga pagkain dito. Tapos sa kabila naman, meron siya mga 3 chairs. Yung swimming pool area natin, accommodation, it has 3 large umbrellas which, can be your shade tuwing medyo malakas yung yung sikat ng araw natin. And then meron din tayong mga palm trees dito. And of course, may tayong mga chairs. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kwarto located sa my first level ng pinaka main property natin. So itong kwarto na to, meron siyang 2 bunk beds. It can accommodate up until 6 person. This is also air conditioned, and then sa likod nito, meron tayong parang mini garden. Ayan guys. So waking up in the morning with this view. Ang ganda oh. Sarap nang gumising dyan guys. So this place naman yung ating balcony or yung terrace dito sa second level. So meron tayong small table and chairs dito, but what I personally like dito sa lugar na to is you have a view of the swimming pool. So ayan guys. Coming in dito sa second level natin, you're gonna be greeted with the living room area. Napaka-elegant ng mga chairs natin dito or yung couch natin. It also has dining tables and chairs dito. It can accommodate up until 6. And then in the middle is meron tayong counter table. Ito, cabinets, the sink, and the stove. You also have a refrigerator dito. This is a huge place. Itong living area na to, napakalaki nito. Fit for a large group of family. And when you say large group and family, entertainment importante dyan. Dapat may video okay tayo or YouTube and Netflix. Now, this is the first room dito sa second level natin. If you notice guys, meron tayong 2 queen size bed. So this can accommodate up until 6. This is spacious. If siguro possible, you can request for mga mattress pa dito so you can extend yung sleeping capacity dito. But all in all, again, the design, I must commend it. Sobrang Ang gaganda ng nandito, mga decorations. So this is the second room dito sa second level natin. What I like about it, it's super huge. Guys, meron tayong 6 beds. Meron 2 single beds at saka 4 na bunk beds. So all in all, can accommodate siguro roughly 15 or more than that, depending sa size ng mga, of course, magstay dito. But this is perfect for huge family. And at the same time, kung grupo kayo ng Barkada, you're more than 20, so this can be a great place for you to stay.